Welcome, students. Today we are going to learn TYCS Data Science Practical. Practical number 1, Introduction to Excel. Perform conditional formatting on a dataset using various criteria. We'll go one by one. So I'll give you more in depth what is practical number 1 is. So the question is, you're working with a dataset of employee information in a company. The data set includes columns such as employee ID, employee name, department, region, salary, and joining date. Perform the following tasks to analyze and manipulate the data effectively using Excel. So, sub question 1 of practical number 1, that is conditional formatting. Apply conditional formatting to the salary column to highlight cells where the salary is greater than $80,000. So I'll take you to the Excel. This is my raw data. Now the condition is I require the salary to be 80,000 above. So I'll select the entire salary column, which is from D2 to D11. I'll go to Home tab. In that conditional formatting, in that I have to give a rule, cell rule, that whatever the salary amount which is greater than 80,000 has to display it with a particular color. So I'll write here 80,000. You can choose here with whatever the color you like it. So I'll go for a red text and click on OK. Done. So the highlighted cell was displays which is greater than 80,000. Now the next one is use a color scale to visually show the distribution of salary values. For example, green for high salary and red for low salary. So the second one is I have to show the color scale of the salary values from low and high with a different color so that people can understand, he can segregate that this particular salary is low and this particular salary is high. So I'll take you back to the Excel again. Again, it's like the salary column D2 to D11. Home tab, conditional formatting. In that you will go for color scale. In that the first option itself. So you can see the color. But even if you try to change these colors, okay, if I go to fill color, it will not happen. And if I change the text color, that will also not work. Is it clear to you all how to go about it? So only the text color will be changing only for the data which is not under the condition. Only that particular color will be changed. Rest would be same as it is. Okay. So with the help of the color scale, I can understand, I can segregate the salary differences high and low. That's all for the practical number 1, sub question 1. We'll continue further for the question number 2 in practical number 1. Thank you.